Here we have a challenge lock named Incognito. This was created by Lan Spy Key, and he built this awesome little box here. Here's his logo, sticker that he sent me. He has it engraved. Very nice. Now, a little story about this lock. I could not get into it, and it began haunting my dreams. I would put the box like that, and then I would wake up and he would be staring at me. Very creepy. So the thing with this lock is that you get into a pretty deep false set, and the only way out is to float pick. And I didn't know how to float pick, so this lock actually helped me learn as a picker and grow, which was great. So once I figured out the trick, it wasn't that bad. Part of the trick was finding the right profile. I settled on this one in 0.4 so I can pick straight from the bottom. And I also like this curved profile. Nice spoon here. So I'm going to get this in the vise, and we're going to see if we can go ahead and get it open on camera so I can finally look inside and see what's going on. Alright, so I just want to reiterate that this is a difficult lock for me, at least. Definitely the most difficult challenge lock I've ever been sent, and hoping that I've finally learned its secrets. I mean, this is the type of lock I imagine a locksmith gives to their kids when they don't eat their vegetables as a punishment. So we're gonna do light tension. I already started picking off the side out of habit. Let's go back to the bottom. Okay, just lightly touching the pins. Got a little bit of movement on the core, a little bit more there. Okay, let's go back. Yep. Oh, here's that wicked false set that you drop into. So what we have to do is carefully counter rotate and see if we can not drop everything. And we have to set the pin back there. Actually, let's leave it like that. Get a different tensioner. Oops, that wrench is flying left and right. Here, let's try this one. A straight one should help me go back and forth. I don't recall which pin it was exactly that you have to float pick, but it might be one, it might be two pins. Okay, it's not that one. Okay, I think it's further in the back then. There we go. Oh my gosh. So when you know the trick, it's not terrible, but like I said, it kept me up at night and took a while to learn. I'm talking, I picked at this for probably at least an hour. All right, let's go ahead and get it gutted. The key is still mummified in the box. So I'm not going to get that out just yet. I'll do that off camera when I reassemble. But you can hear it shaking around in there. Let's just get it out so I remember. Nice Avis key. Oh, there's engraving on the key too. Awesome. All right. Going to need a shim. Okay. We are shimmed. Okay. Now, follower. This follower fits too, I'm sure, but I like using these. All right. And make sure we don't drop the key pins. Let's get this shim out. Okay, here's 1, 2. Oh, pin and pin. Awesome. My gosh, some powder falling out of the cylinder. Let's take a quick look. You see some threading, some counter milling. Very nice. Let's flip this pin. Still got the shakes, but we will make do. Wow. A very cool pin so far. Okay, so we do have it labeled. Carefully get this guy out. Very nice looking pin so far. Let's actually dump the springs as well. See if there's any variation there. Okay. This one is a pin and pin as well. So, wow. So that's a full oh. Come on. There we go. All right, let's get the first 3 out. Standard in 1. Another nicely serrated. Oh yeah, let's get the spring out. And a standard there. Very awesome. Let's take a look inside. Yep, there's some work in some of those chambers. Let's actually just get a zoom in real quick here. Look at those pins. Very awesome work. It was very fun learning how to pick. Took a long time and a lot of frustration, but definitely a better picker now than I was before due to that. So thank you, Lan Spy Key, and I'm excited to send this off to the next victim.